All right, people. I just got a new phone and I ordered a case and screen protector for it. Just going to show you quickly and easily how to install this is actually a tempered glass screen protector. Um, I ordered this online off of Amazon, also with the case. Anyways. Oops. There's the screen protector. First off, you don't want anything on the phone. This is a new phone, so it's only like a day or two old. I'm just going to use this cloth here to wipe and clean the screen. Make sure there's no dust, dirt, fingerprints. If you're installing a screen protector onto like a used phone or an older phone, you might just want to use like some rubbing alcohol and on a light cloth just to clean off any old fingerprints or anything like that. Alright. Once you clean it, you don't want to touch the screen with your hands, obviously. Add fingerprints, grease, oil. I also just washed my hands, so they're not that greasy right now. On the screen protector, you're going to see a tab like this. This tab, which obviously helps to remove the screen or the plastic film here. The tab is going to be against your phone. So then this is the top, which is where you're going to be touching and using your phone. But before then, in your kit, it'll have these like little stickers here. With these stickers, what you want to do is you're going to place them on here temporarily. And when doing so, you're going to create a hinge. But you want to obviously test fit exactly where you want this cover to be. When you find an area that you like, you're just going to add these stickers. If you keep noticing, I just keep wiping any dust, a little bit of hair, anything that could be floating around. Now, I'm going to try to place this exactly where I want it. I'm going to fix the stickers as a hinge. And even if you need to, like readjust, reposition, you can pull the stickers back up. If you don't like using the stickers, you can even use just like Scotch tape. I've done that in the past sometimes, but I think these stickers look like they're going to work just fine. I think I like how I have it arranged here. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can use this tab to tilt it one more time. Do another quick pass. Once you peel this off, I'm just going to let it drop down. I don't know if you can see this, how the black is expanding. It will seal itself. I didn't even have to touch it, and there's no bubbles. Hopefully you saw how easy that was. As soon as I peeled the protective piece off, I just let go of it, and it fell right into place where it needs to be. At this point, we're just going to remove the stickers. And that's how easy your tempered glass screen protector is installed. First try, no bubbles. That's just where the sticker was at. So I can get that off there for you. That's just where the sticker was. And I like the basic OtterBox cases. There's several different ones. This is called the Symmetry or Defender. I like them because they're easy to take off, easy to put on. A simple screen protector like this, I mean, takes no time to install. Put it in there. She's good to go. There's like rubber grips on the side here. The back is like a hard plastic. It's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like 3D. So around the camera lenses is not going to touch anything. There's a lip all the way around. So you can lay this face down or on its back. It's not going to slide. The rubber's touching. So you can actually put this on like an angle, you know, you can lay it on the side of your couch. It's not going to slide off your couch. Everybody has their own personal preference. I like the basic OtterBox case. I prefer a tempered glass screen protector to protect my investment of an expensive phone, because we all know phones aren't too cheap these days. But I'll put a couple links below in the description if you're interested in OtterBox case and where I got the tempered glass screen protector. Hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a question below. I'll respond as quickly as possible, and hopefully can help you out with any questions. Thanks for watching.